day 9th of the 22 days challenge to raise your vibrations with me. Well, my name is Vasundhara Talware. Today's day is all about clearing the clutter. The clutter from your space so that you feel elevated. The clutter from your mind also somewhat gets sorted out because your mind is a reflection of your surrounding. Your surrounding is a manifestation of your mind. So if you take care of your surrounding, it'll definitely impact the way your state of mind is, and therefore a beautiful way to raise your vibrations. So what you need to do today is to clear out that clutter, all the things that you don't need. And hello, you don't have to throw them away right now. So that's what today's process is. Esther and Jerry Hicks have devised this beautiful way of clearing your clutter without feeling stressed about, oh, what will happen if I ever need this item 1 year later or a few months down the line. When that happens, what do? This won't happen. You'll have all of what you own with you, but only organized. So for that, you will need some boxes which I have right here for you. Something like this. I have like a few boxes here to show you. So yeah, all you need to have is a few of these, some 10-12 of them. If you don't have 10-12, start with 4. Yeah, easy to find these, and any bhangar wala, a guy who sells scrap will have them, or if you ordered something online, you will have them. I'm sure you have, because that's where the clutter comes from. So to begin with, what you need to do is, from your space, zone into a corner, say for your wardrobe, and take out all the stuff and start putting it in boxes which you are going to label as A, B, C and D, considering you have 4 boxes. With all that you have in front of you, the clothes that you've taken out of your wardrobe, you're going to pick one and ask yourselves, am I using this on a regular basis? Do I use it at least once a week? If the answer is yes, keep it aside. Take the second piece of cloth and ask, am I using this regularly? Am I using it at least once in a week? If the answer is no, ask yourself, am I using it at least once in a month? If the answer is no, then put it in one of the boxes. Let's say you put it in box A, right? And supposing if that garment is a wind cheater or sweatshirt for most part of the year. So what you do is, take your phone, switch on the voice recorder and say pink color sweatshirt, box A. That's it. Record that and you're done. Alright. Move on to the third piece of garment. Ask the same question, do I use it regularly? If not, put it in the box. So as you record which item has gone in, you have your index ready in your phone. Once you're done with decluttering your wardrobe, you've not thrown away anything, right? You've only kept that which you're using regularly inside the wardrobe and kept everything else in boxes. And you also have a record of what has gone in which box. So once you're done with this process, you sit down, open your diary where you're going to keep a tab of what has gone where, an index, and write, alright, pink color sweatshirt, box A, white drawstrings, box B, and so on and so forth. So you have an index, a ready reckoner, where you're going to check out if you ever want to look out for where your pink sweatshirt is. You will say A, B, C, D, P, 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 R, P. Pink shirt, box A. You're going to open the box A and find your pink shirt there, right? So that's how easy this decluttering of your space is. The importance of doing this activity is that you will find things that are more meaningful in your life coming your way. It somehow has a beautiful, magical effect on your mindset, on your body as well, on your spirit as well. Because the most important reason why you do this is because you want to invite the beauties, the magical gifts of the universe into your space. But the universe, when it sees that you already have so much in your space, doesn't entertain. It doesn't show up with its gifts. So just merely decluttering and cleaning up and organizing your space allows the beautiful, the magical gifts of the universe to enter your space. All that you desire, want to manifest, want to own, have a goal, that starts showing up in your space. It's only when you do not hold on to stuff or hoard stuff, and even if you are, you're hoarding in an organized fashion. So you have it in box A, B, C, D, and so on and so forth. Many more boxes if you have many more things to put away. I did this a couple of years ago. Not that I used to have too much clutter, because since childhood I was tuned into being an organized person. Like, I wanted everything in place. I used to have a lot of fights with my parents as to why don't you keep your keys in place, why don't you keep your documents in place, why don't you do this, that. Eventually, when I had my own home, I finally found the space to just have an organized way of living my life. Have that peace of mind that comes from having no other distraction in your space. There's nothing that is out of its place. It's in order. And that for me is very, very important, because that makes me feel in order. Now, when I actually further decluttered a few years ago is when I found something that I wanted in my life, which I had a goal for. I had like a dream of, okay, this is what should enter in my life, this is how I should feel, this is what should show up in my life. That started showing up like this, without effort. And that's what this book also talks about. And I was like, oh my God, this is true. This is actually written about. And I experienced it. You don't have to do much, you just have to be. If that space in which you live is decluttered, the benefits are immense. So I urge you to go get the boxes that I just showed you and start decluttering your space. Be it your books, be it your clothes, be it your kitchenware, be it anything and everything that you've just put it there because you think that you'll need it some years later, sometime later, some months later, but aren't using it. And the best part about these boxes is that once you know that you've not touched box number C for one entire year, you can safely give those things away without feeling bad about it. Because something that's not used for over a year is definitely of no use to you. It may as well be used by somebody else who needs it, who cannot afford it, and will bless you for giving it away to them, isn't it? So go, get set, declutter right now and see the magic happening. See how you feel about it right away, without any delay, without any waiting time. Just experience it for yourself. Not because I'm saying try it. I hope this video has helped you and that you get cracking right away. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next video to raise your vibrations further up. Thank you so much for watching me. And if you liked this video, please like, share, comment and let me know how you liked it, what your experience has been so far in the last 9 days. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell icon to know about my next video that I'll be putting up very soon. Thank you so much for watching and I love you very much. Mwah.